you doing, Jack? Mommy's rubbing Jack and Charlie's jealous. Yeah, what's going on? Here's my boys. Here's my boys. Everybody just had a bath, so they're all wet. Too bad Mommy didn't catch that one on their film, because we got one bathtub in their cage, and it looks like both boys were having a blast. Charlie? You gonna step up, Charlie? You gonna come up here too, Jack? You gonna step up too, Jack? Yeah, that's double good boys they are. They're such good boys. Good babies. There goes Charlie up my shoulder. Well, he's gonna go back to Jack. Come on, Jack, step up. Step up, Charlie. What's going on, you two? What's going on? Wherever you go, whatever I do, we're gonna go through it together. You're my pretty birds. I love my little birdies. I love my little birdies. Charlie, what's going on, Charlie? I'd say this is a match made in heaven. What you got, Zoe? Zoe's here. Hi, Zoe. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good girl. Good girl, Georgie. Zoe. Good girl, Zoe. Hi, Jack. No biting. Leave your brothers alone.